son.
That's your son?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. I love your dad.
Him man back him man.
Me?
What you love, what you love for your respect you rate him. Yeah,
If you rate me, no love thing, keep it, no puff daddy thing around here, but
right.
All Jamaican songs, they're all about punani. Like they glorified this punani like it's a piece of cake.
Don't know. I don't need it.
Your girlfriend, you know, the last week my Jamaican yard man, he came to look for me on the weekend.
I know. I saw it on the
You
internet.
saw that? Yeah, he's my, you know, he was my first love.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's why I need to spare
How many
tire.
times? How many times was I here this week?
This week is like twice.
How many double O's?
Oh,
Triple
oh
O's.
yeah, yeah, I saw
O's.
it. You did a good job, honey.
Oh.
Yeah, I like the double O. Make sure, you know, do your best and come to look for me every single day, honey.
Of course.
Otherwise, I'm gonna play with my spare tire.
Yeah, but you
It's
wasn't
just a little fun, so don't get jealous, honey. You always my number one.
jealous.
Yeah.
Never.
It's a one love, honey. One love.
Of
Pepper
course.
party's a one love,
It's a
okay?
one love.
Yes, honey.